Right, so I'm filling up my van with some water, my water butts, so hopefully you can hear me what I'm saying. I've got a question, because I don't understand something. So these windows haven't been cleaned for weeks, okay, and on the inside, let me find these bug marks. We've got some bug marks. Let me try and, there's a bug mark, where's my finger? Right, there is a bug mark here, can you see that? It's blurry, but that's a bug mark on the inside. And here is another bug mark. You can vaguely see it, not great. Where else? I've got a bug mark here. Here. These are bug marks on the inside. Lots of bug marks. And they take weeks to come. On the outside, we've got spiders, we've got webs, but these take a while for, once you've got rid of them, and they come back straight away. They take a while. That has been nesting there for weeks, and you can tell it's been nesting there for weeks. It's got its own little nest there, and it's got all its muck that it leaves behind. Now I keep getting told about this soap film that gets left behind if you add soap to the glass. I've never ever experienced any film on the window, so hopefully you can tell that this window hasn't been cleaned in a while. I'm going to take you to some other windows in a minute. We've had loads of rain, and the only problem we've got with this window is a few bug marks on the inside. We've got spiders up here, and just a little bit of speckles of rain, dirty rainwater that's splashed. But to be honest, there's no film. I'm putting my finger on here, there's no film. So I make sure that the soap is really rubbed in. So I'm going to take you to the windows that I demonstrated 2 weeks ago, and we'll look at these windows. There's no film. It's raining at the moment, but there's no film. All I've got is water that I'm spreading over the glass from the wet, because it's raining. So again, no film, just water that I'm spreading from the rain. I'll take you some windows that haven't been cleaned in a couple of weeks longer. We got some dirt here, but no film. So I'm really confused. These windows got bug marks on them, but there's no film. It's just water from the rain. These haven't been cleaned for weeks. Bug marks, spiders, web, but no film, no soapy film. So I'm really confused why some people talk about film, because I'd never get film with my applications, because the soap is diluted with a saturated washer if I'm working outside, and the squeegee takes all that soap off. No film down here, no dust. We've got a dirty sill. See, it's dirty. It hasn't been cleaned in a while. Spider nest up here, but no film. So I don't know what this film's all about. Genuinely, I just really am confused about this soap film people often talk about. And I also find that water-fed pole window cleaners, the people who just do the water-fed pole solely, they say about the soap film left by traditional window cleaners. My water-fed pole windows, when I go back the next month or the next time I do the job, they're always in a worse state than my windows done traditionally. So again, I don't understand what this soap film is all about. The only thing I can think about is I've got soap on there. If I haven't rubbed it in properly, like here for example, that will leave film. It hasn't actually that time, but that's got more chance of leaving the film. If I've rubbed it in, then, well, people with common sense ain't going to want a window cleaner. All my customers ain't going to want a window cleaner that leaves a film all over their glass. And I'm cleaning windows all the time. Repeat business. So it's there's just no film. The way I work anyway. So, right, let's move on, because I want to give some sort of information before this video's out. 14-inch channel, and what we've got here is I managed to find an old, this is an old stainless steel. It's actually all rusted. You might be able to pick it up on the video. Very old channel. So someone gave me this. So it's much older than how long I've been cleaning windows. Well, I'm going to clean this window twice, both the same size channel, and I'm just going to want you to realise something. I'm going to work pretty much the same way. This is what also I find mind-boggling. So let's clean the window. I'm not going to do anything fancy. I'm just going to fan the window like I would normally do with a liquidator. Right, so I've worked pretty much just the same as I would work next on the liquidator, but all I've got left is, well, let's see how much detailing we have got. It's horrendous. Hopefully, if I go slowly, you can see all this detailing all the way down, but definitely there, it's loads of detailing. So, what I'm going to do, soap up again. I'm just going to work exactly the same way. I'm not doing anything difficult. I'm going to cut in exactly the same as I did before. Work exactly the same. It's got exactly the same rubber in there. I'm not going to work any, in fact I'll work a bit quicker here, so I've got more chance of making a mistake. Right, so I'll work exactly the same, use the same technique. I've got zero detail. Let me just show you. Zero, which is zero. Zero. Right, so what is so difficult? What's so difficult with these window cleaners that can't use liquidators? The only modification that I've done with anything that I've got with my technique, this soap, the only modification is I've got two little cut off paper clips holding this rubber very tightly. The rest is, I worked exactly the same with that squeegee than I did with this. I just got much higher quality results. I can walk away from that window, apart from wiping down the bottom frame here, that window's done. What is so complicated? So, two things that boggle my mind. People talk about soap film left on the glass, and people saying that they can't use this channel because the channel is rubbish. Two things that boggle my mind.